Ready, begin. Time is 12:08.
How fast you can take it apart?
Yep. It's a sacrifice. Yeah. That's the only way to do it. Get machine and strip them out.
I think I could do it in less than 10 minutes. I don't know if I could do it in 5, but I'm going to try.
All right. You're good.
Hey there, how you doing?
Doing pretty good. Watch the master at work. Get a view around it. I have a question for you, Kevin. You have this apart before?
What's that?
Have you had this apart before?
Nope. I
Damn.
got this yesterday.
All right. I would say if you get it once, you take it apart. The screws are a lot easier. Second time you take it apart. So we're dealing with factory torque and whatever rust is holding them in.
They could find a rat's nest in there then.
Sometimes you do. Depends on where they were stored. Mine do. Excuse me?
Mike and I got there, we plugged it in.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought, yeah. Is that the same one that the snake came out of? Or is that different?
That was a different one.
Okay. Nice.
Am I at 3 minutes yet?
2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yeah, it's not going to be 5 minutes.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's aim for 10 minutes then.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing? No. I'm doing this myself.
No help, no help. Back up, back it up. No touchy.
The time test.
The man's got... Nope. Just like when I'm giving someone an examination.
These screws are kind of messed up on the side.
I was gonna say, yeah.
It's pretty obvious one, especially.
Probably take 5 minutes just to get the cover off.
Nah. You almost got it off.
I'm probably at 5 minutes already.
Nah, you're at 3 minutes and 11 seconds. I like that screwdriver you got. That's handy. Fancy tools over here.
K-Dog!
You can do it.
You can do it! Got the flippin' feathers!
Let's watch those 2 screws on top.
Alright, it needs to be...
It's fine. Just gotta put new stuff on.
Came off in one piece though, so that's okay.
Damn, that's not that bad.
Mike's had a 5-row back. That's kind of weird.
Well, those have the Samsung in it. Actually, no, it is a ROTOREX.
Made in Taiwan, which is very unusual.
All right, Kevin's already here, so someone cast a spell already.
I need space, man.
Give him room.
I need space.
Don't be breathing down his back, Nick.
So how far is it going to take it down to?
Just the base fan, the cooling system. Everything else is up.
Hey, worst case, we'll let you know. It's not all that.
Almost there.
It's slowing me down.
God damn it.
Damn it, Bobby.
Tell you what. This damn air conditioner won't come apart. There you go.
Sponsored by Garage Beer. So the story behind the event, you finally made it.
Take this shmoo out of here.
The shmoo and the smuts
Release the shmoo.
and the scuds.
Don't ask.
Go over here. Got a better angulation on the situation. There we go. Damn it, Kevin, you're in the way of your own work.
Not stand up. I coined that phrase. That was my phrase. Damn it, Bobby.
Dang it. Uh-oh. Crumbling.
Don't panic.
Don't panic, it's fine. You need the compressed air. There you go. No lube, too.
Yeah, I should have kicked a can of WD-40 to
Yeah.
Alright?
That's how I like to do it raw.
And demonetized.
You know it. You just gotta give me 5 seconds to get anyone demonetized. Got it?
Got it.
Thank God. There's only 2 of those, right?
It depends. There's 3 spots, but usually they only install 2.
Okay.
Hey,
Motherfucker, watch your fucking mouth.
this is probably
One there? Oh, yeah.
This is gonna fight me a little bit.
It's gonna slow down the process.
How are we on time?
8 minutes and 15 seconds. Hey, if you delete the nut enough, you'll be fine.
Okay, that's tight over there.
Wow.
More screws and then we're home free.
All right. Freedom.
It's a little crusty.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, those corners are a little, eh.
How you doing?
Well, but yeah, you know. That'll come free, or is that still?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to rip it.
Alright.
Come on, here we go.
Fucking send it.
And
Mike, you're you want it.
Last one.
All right.
Sometimes these are not installed.
Okay.
Now what happens sometimes is it hangs up on this foam
Okay.
partition here.
There you go. You're off the stud over here.
A little bit of massage over here.
Yeah. Gotta caress a little bit.
And there you go.
All right. Time. 10 minutes and 48 seconds.
All right.
All right.
Still not in pieces.
No, it's stripped down to the sealed system there.
Yeah. All right. And then what we gotta do is have your speed run and put it back
You
together.
want to do a speed reassembly?
That's up to you. You want me to cut the video then?
Yeah.
All right. Peace out.